Assalamu alaikum students. In our previous lecture we have learned the lesson A Terrible Disaster, which was about the devastating effects which are caused by the volcanic eruption and the earthquake. Now open your books at page 57. We have to do the question and answers of the lesson. Question first is, why do you think the family slept outside for a week? You have to prepare the page like this and you have to write down the answer like this. Answer of the question 1 is because they were frightened of another earthquake. Second question is, why did the family start sleeping in the house again? Answer is because fine dust was falling and the roofs protected them from it. Next question is, why did the students ran fast without asking questions? Answer is because they were well trained and always obeyed orders. Question 4, why were so many people killed in the port? Answer is because a huge wave tsunami broke over the island. Question 5, why couldn't the ship's captain see the volcano? The answer is because it had disappeared. So the question and answers are done. Now come to question number 3. Which disasters do these phrases refer to? So in these statements we have to tell about which natural disaster we are talking about. Like the first one is the earth suddenly began to shake. It means we are talking about the earthquake. Second, they felt the ground move. This statement is about earthquake. Third one, it sounded like thunder under their feet. It is again about earthquake. You have to write down earthquake in front of the sentence. Fourth, fine dust started to fall. It is about volcanic eruption. Fifth one, ash covered the roofs of the houses. It is about volcanic eruption. Sixth one, the ground started moving again. It is about earthquake. A wall of water. It is tsunami. Eighth, a huge wall. Again, it is about tsunami. The water came up through the trees and around the buildings. It is about flood. Question 4. Match the pictures with the 4 stages of the disasters. Here 4 pictures are given and 4 statements are given. You have to tell that which statement shows which disaster. For example, first one, how rocks flew into the sky from the hole under the volcano. This description goes with picture D. Here we can see the volcanic eruption. Second one, the hole under the volcano grew bigger. This statement goes with picture C. The top of the volcano fell into the hole. This statement goes with picture B. The sea water flooded into the hole. This statement goes with picture A. So the students, you have to learn all this lesson and all the questions by heart, and you have to write down the question and answers in your copy. Thank you.